Kawasaki ZX25R. Ow, ow, ow. I think something's biting me. Something bit me on the neck. This is pretty good. Let's get back on the road. Alright guys, here is the Kawasaki ZX25R. We're on a good road, on a good bike, so let's go. Feels really light, easy to toss around compared to the BB400 I've been riding. You have to really like rev the piss out of it to get it to go. Oh, my feet when I'm just standing, they both touch. I am 178 centimeters, 5'11" in American size, and my knees are pretty bent. So my feet are flat on the ground, my knees are bent. I do feel that this bike is kind of small, but I guess that's what you get with 250. But yeah, this thing is really fun so far. I rented this place. I rented this bike at a place called Moto, and they're all over Japan. So if you ever come to Japan and want to rent a motorcycle, then that's the place to go. Anyways, gonna head back up the hill then. Bike. This is a lot of fun. Yeah, I'm gonna go park up there by the shade real quick. Whew. Well, anyways, that is the Kawasaki ZX25R. You know, I think it's a really cool looking bike, but I looked up online and they have different colors for them, and they have this in black. So if I ever consider one, then maybe I'll get one in black. And let's see, explore the bike a little bit. I just open the latch. Maybe a button or something, I don't know. That's what the front end looks like right here. I'm also out in the hottest time of the day, in the hottest time of the year. I should probably get back to riding before I overheat. And you guys want to hear the engine, don't you? This thing comes with a lot of aftermarket exhaust options, and man, they sound good. Yeah. pretty good. Let's get back on the road. Let's stop by over here. Get some drinks maybe. Sounds nasty. Nasty sound. Oh, damn. I want something that's gonna fit in my pocket. So I guarantee you America doesn't have this. Something that can be finished in like 3 sips. Over this bench area over here. Okay, I went right into a spider web, but it's kind of expected when you're walking into the woods. Well, I gave the ants some time to crawl into my helmet. They can give me a nice surprise when I'm on the ride home. I need to rethink my storage capacity here. I can put my Coke right in here, a wallet. I know it's hot today, but I'm actually not overheating. You know, I've had a problem with that before, but I'm doing pretty good. Beautiful day today though. The sun is out. Everyone's out on their motorcycles. Look at this blue sky. It's perfect. Now apparently there are several different modes for this bike, so let me try and see what those are. So right now it's in sport mode. But if you hold this button down, hold it, it goes to road mode. Hold it down some more, rain, and the last one is rider, which I guess it's like a custom mode where you can have a custom setting for yourself. I'm gonna try rain, see what that is. I would assume it's like comfort mode or something. You gotta squeeze out as much comfort as you can on one of these things, I guess. Whoops. I was watching a video of these. They were saying, let's see. Why is there an oil mark? Am I doing something wrong? Maybe it's the mode. Let's try road mode then. Huh. In road mode, the throttle is less responsive. Interesting. I hope I can go. That is weird. Bike just turns off. Okay. Back to sport mode then. Maybe it only works on sport mode. Yeah, that's weird. All right. Okay. That is a really cool looking bike. You know, that's one of the bikes I'm torn between. Like sport bike like one of these, or an old retro kind of bike like one of those. Okay, so I think the engine was cutting off because I had the kickstand down. You guys ready? I think something's biting me. Okay. All right, time to calm down. Something definitely crawled up my helmet. Okay. That really stings. I don't know what it is, but it fucking hurts. Ow, 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 ow. Get the fuck off of my neck. Ow. What the fuck? I don't know what it is, but something bit me on the neck. Yeah, what an experience. Even this is fun. All right, well, I'm gonna have to just see what the hell that is at home. Head home and get some tweezers or something. I left it on the grass, which I probably shouldn't have done, because in the summertime, things fucking crawl into whatever space, nook and cranny they can find, because they can. That's something definitely bit me. I don't know what, but that stings. Not sure if I should get this checked or if I'm gonna start convulsing and die. If that's the case, then make sure to stay subscribed to my channel. I think whatever stung me is gone. So I'm gonna head home now. Yeah. Lesson for, oh yeah, kickstand. Lesson for next time. Don't put your helmet on the ground where there could be bugs that could crawl up your helmet. Seems like a natural thing people will not do, but hey, it's me we're talking about here. thing I noticed is compared to the CB 400 and the school bikes that I've been riding at driving school, compared to those, I have to grip the tank a lot harder. And a lot of my weight is going onto my wrists. So if I just let go of my legs, then all my weight is on here. So I have to grip with my knees, my thighs, and my ankles. And that kind of eases the pressure off of my wrists. Yeah, that about wraps it up for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and take care.